Good morning all of you. In last day we were discussing about Pythagoras property. We have given the theoretical proof for Pythagoras property. Today we can discuss few problems related from Pythagoras. One problem is given here. A right triangle ABC is a right triangle at A. And another one triangle ABD, it is right angled at D. We have two triangles. Not only two right angles, see here what about this triangle ADC, ADC also right triangle. So we have three right triangles actually. We need to prove, question is given, prove that AB square plus CD square equal to BD square plus AC square. That means we need to make a relationship between AB, CD, BD, AC is squares. So while seeing itself, you should feel this is related with the Pythagoras property because side square relationship is given by Pythagoras property. And it is given here, it is a right triangle also. So, we need AB, that means this side square we need AC, this side square we need, and CD is this one and BD is this one. These four sides relationship we required. How can we make a connection between them? See here ADB is a right triangle. In that right triangle we can make a relationship between the sides. Since it is a right triangle, Pythagoras property we can apply. Same way in the second triangle, here also we are getting one triangle ADB, ADC. ADC is also right triangle. Since AD is perpendicular, ADB right triangle, ADC also right triangle. When you are taking ADC, you will get a connection between AB square, AD square, BD square. AB square and BD square we required in our result. If you are considering the second triangle, we will get a relationship between AC square, AD square, CD square. AC square and CD square we required in our result. So we can make that, we can consider that two triangles. So first triangle I am taking in triangle ADB by Pythagoras property. What we can write? See the triangle ADB, AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. We got one connection, one equation. And same way here we can apply because AB square is ready. Then we need AC square, so we can consider the second triangle, second small triangle, that is triangle ADC. Pythagoras property we can apply. We will get AC is the hypotenuse there, so AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square. We got second equation. See these two equations, first equation and the second equation. AB square, BD square we are getting for the result. AC square, CD square we are getting, see AC square, CD square we need in the result. So these two equations we can do something to make the result, isn't it? What we can do? See this AD square, here also AD square, we don't want AD square in our result, so we can do subtraction. So we are doing equation number 1 minus equation number 2. What we will get? AB square minus AC square. Two equations subtracting means left side subtracting, right side subtracting. Okay. So AB square minus AC square is the left side, that is equal to this two subtracting. So AD square plus BD square minus AD square plus CD square. Then what we can do? AD square will cancel. We will get BD square minus CD square. Then see our result reached. We reached our result. AB square, CD square, let it come here. AD square is equal to AC square or BD square plus AC square. Okay. Like this we will apply Pythagoras property. So very important, it is 4 mark question will ask for examination based on Pythagoras property. Make a connection with the sides. Okay. Then you are given one triangle, right triangle ABC. See ABC is right triangle at B. So we can consider one right triangle. and it is right angled at B. So the figure is ABC. Okay. D and E trisect BC. What is meant by trisecting? What do you mean by bisecting? See one line segment PQ bisected by the point R means its midpoint is R. R divides the line segment PQ into two equal pieces. That's why we are calling R bisected the line segment PQ. And what is trisecting one line segment PQ? Trisecting means the line segment is dividing into three pieces. Bisecting means dividing into two pieces. Trisecting means dividing into three pieces. So PQ is divided by 2 points R and S, and it is divided equally. Trisecting means dividing equally. Bisecting means dividing equally into two pieces. Trisecting means dividing equally into three pieces. So we are going to cut this line segment into three pieces. I told R and S. So this line segment, we got three line segments, small line segments, all are equal. That is meant by trisecting by 2 points. So the line segment BC is trisected by D and E means we can mark the point D and E such that BD is equal to DE is equal to EC. So let us take this as X, here also X. Since instead of taking BD, DE, EC separately, we can call them as X since they are equal. Then we need to prove 8AE square equal to 3AC square plus 5AD square. So here also the line segments, it's a squares connection is given. So you need to think about Pythagoras property. Pythagoras property is giving the relationship between the sides squares of the sides. So here we have a right triangle ABC. If you are joining AD, you will get another one right triangle. AD we required in our answer. So AD we need. So line segment AD I marked. And this is also ABD also right triangle. AE is required in our result. So AE also we can draw. Now we have ABD one right triangle. ABE another one right triangle. ABC another one right triangle. We have three right triangles now. And see, AD is the small right triangle's hypotenuse. AE is another one hypotenuse. AC is another one triangle's hypotenuse. So we have three hypotenuse squares result, squares connection we need, relationship we need. Okay. So first we can start with the AD. How to, in which triangle? In triangle ABD. By Pythagoras property, you can write AD square is equal to AB square plus X square or BD square. BD square. Okay. And we can replace BD with the X. AB square plus X square. We got one equation. I think you understood. In triangle ABD, hypotenuse square is equal to AB square plus BD square, sum more squares of other two sides. And we need AC. So we can write AC square in which triangle? In ABC, not AB. We can take this one, AC or AE we need, AE or AC, okay, AC itself. ABC, AC square is equal to, that means this big triangle. AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. So BC, can I write BC as X plus X plus X, total 3X. 3X whole square. BC square I wrote it as 3X because BC is X plus X, 3X. So we are getting AC square is equal to AB square plus 3 square, 9x square, x square. 9x square we got another result. Okay. So AD square we required in our answer. We got AD square. AC square is required in our answer. So we wrote AC square also. Then we need to prove 3 times of AC square plus 5 times of AD square equal to 8 times of AE square. So we can write what is AE square also. For getting AE square, which triangle we will consider? Triangle ABE. In triangle ABE, by Pythagoras property, we can write AE square is equal to, see, AE square equal to AB square plus BE square. AB square plus BE square. And what is BE? X plus X, 2x. So we can write AB square plus 2x whole square. 2x whole square I can write. 2 square is 4. So we are getting it as 4x square. 4x square. We got equation number 3. Okay. So AD square is ready, AC square is ready, AE square is ready. We need to make this relationship is true. So we can write, see, right side when addition is there, we can do this right side. For doing right side, what we can write? 3AC square. We need to prove 3AC square plus 5AD square is equal to 8AE square. Oh, I rubbed AD square. No problem. So 3AC square means 3 into, what is AC? AB square plus 9x square. AB square plus 9x square. 3AC square plus 5 times 5 into AD square. We wrote here AD square. What is AD square? AB square plus x square. Okay. Then this is equal to, so we started from right side, 3AC square plus 5AD square we wrote, 3 into AC square is AB square plus 9x square, we already wrote that one, and plus 5 times AD square is AB square plus x square. Then remove the bracket and add, we will get 3 times AB square plus 3 9s are 27x square plus 5AB square plus 5x square. So we are getting 3AB square and 5AB square, total 8AB square plus 27 plus 5, 32x square. Okay. See here 8 is common factor, we can take it outside. 8 into AB square plus 4 8s are 32, so 4x square will come. What is AB square plus 4x square? See here we wrote AB square plus 4x square as AE square. So in the next step we can replace. This is equal to AE square. That is our left side. We started from right side. No need to write right side LHS RHS. Just to start from one side, reach the other side. Then therefore what we can write? 3AC square plus 5AD square is equal to 8AE square. Hence the proof. Clear? Here one right triangle is given. Right triangle ABC. And here I tangled at A. And it is given BL and CM. BL and CM are the medians. What do you mean by medians? In any triangle, from one vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side, we are drawing one line. That line is calling median. Okay. So from this C to the opposite side AB to the midpoint of AB, it has drawn the line segment CM. That's why CM is called a median. Okay. That means M is the midpoint. And here AC's midpoint is L, since BL is the median. So we need to prove that 4 times of BL square plus CM square is equal to 5BC square. We need the relationship between BL and CM, BL, CM and BC squares. Then for that we can write what is BL, what is CM and what is BC. BL is, in which triangle we can take BL? in right triangle BAL by Pythagoras property, we can write BL square is equal to, see, hypotenuse square is equal to AL square plus AB square. AB square plus AL square. And what is AL? L is the midpoint. So we can call AL as half of AC. So next step we can write AB square plus AL as half AC. So AL square will come half into AC whole square. See here a chance for getting mistake. AL square you will write AL square is given, no? So AL square is half AC square. Don't write like this, half AC square. This is wrong. Okay, AL is half AC. Its square is required. So don't write like this, half AC square. Then, okay, let it be like this, or you can remove the bracket writing like this, AB square plus half square is 1 by 4 AC square. Okay, so we got BL square. Put it as equation number 1. Same way the next triangle to get CM. In the triangle CAM. In triangle CAM by Pythagoras property, because that also right triangle. See, CAM is right triangle. So by Pythagoras property we can write CM square is equal to AC square plus AM square. AC square plus AM square. Can I write AM as half AB? M is the midpoint. So here actually you need to write AM square. So I am writing this as half of AB whole square. AM square is half. AM is half of AB. And same way we wrote AL is half of AC, that we already wrote. AL is equal to half AC. That is the given information, since it is they are medians. So remove the bracket, we will get this is equal to 1 by 4 AB square. Put it as equation number 2. Then we need their sum. So we can add these two while adding. Equation number 1 and 2 adding. What we will get? Or you can multiply with the 4 then add. What you need, which is easy for you, you do like that. If you are multiplying by 4, this 4 will remove. Okay. Or then 4 times of BL square plus CM square is required now. So we can multiply BL square with the 4 and CM square with the 4. Or directly you multiply, you will get this answer. You do which is easy for you. I am just adding this one. BL square, that means equation number 1 and 2 adding. Equation number 1 plus 2 implies BL square plus CM square is equal to, right side adding, AB square plus AC square plus 1 by 4 AC square plus 1 by 4 AB square. 1 by 4 AB square. I am rubbing, figure I am rubbing. Then we have BL square plus CM square is equal to, like terms you can add. What is 1 plus 1 by 4? 5 by 4. So we can write 5 by 4 times AB square plus 1 plus 1 by 4 times of AC square will come again 5 by 4 AC square. Take 4 to this side, means common denominator in the right side. So take to this side. It will come 4 times of BL square plus CM square is equal to 5 AB square plus 5 AC square. So 5 we can take common factor. We are getting AB square plus AC square. Oh, figure has gone. Sorry. See, this is our figure. This is CAB. See what is AB square plus AC square? AB square plus AC square is BC square. So we can write it as 5 BC square. See, we reached our answer. 4 times of BL square plus CM square is equal to 5 BC square. Okay, just making some relationship, that much only. From just to see what we need to prove, among that one which all the values, other values in the sense line segments, squares are there, that connection making, that much only. sometimes we will get very fast, sometimes we should arrange something, means need to do some arrangement, we will reach the answer. Reaching the answer, that is important. So not a difficult question from this Pythagoras, just making some arrangement. Okay, so that much only for today. In the next day we can discuss another one. Either we can start a new chapter or we can discuss the problems. Okay, or I will give you as one assignment from this chapter, that is better. Okay, so I will send you one assignment. Okay, thank you.